Welcome to my shop. My name is Steve, and in the last video we separated the lid from the base for the fitted lid box. Right now these two pieces will not fit together. They'll almost go together, but I'm going to show you how to achieve that friction fit in this video. So let's get to the workbench. When you get into the fit process, there's a couple of things you need to do. The first is to check the corners of these boxes to see if you got any glue squeeze out. And if you do, either clean that out with a small chisel or with a scalpel or X-Acto knife or something that you can just get the glue out, because this will affect your friction fit. Get a small bit of squeeze out there. This is a Veritas miniature shoulder plane, and I'll just watch the grain of the wood, and I'm just going to put a small chamfer and take a light cut, maybe 2 passes. Shavings are not that much, they're just little curly cues, and what I want to do is eliminate the sharp edge or sharp corner right at that piece. And sometimes I have to change directions. Don't get overly aggressive here. And sometimes it's even hard to see the direction of the grain. And I'm holding this at approximately a 45-degree angle, 2 passes and a light cut. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is use this small shoulder plane to take passes around the perimeter of the box, and I'm going to make sure that when I take a pass on one side, that I take that pass all the way around with the same dimension cut. That way I don't have an offset between my lid and my base. Like in this direction, I could feel it. On that side I need to be going that way. Still fairly smooth there. Okay, that's about the shaving thickness that I want. Now let's check the fit. And I'm getting closer. And as this box base starts just to go into that lid, that's when you want to take a lighter cut. Okay, let's see if I can get the lid completely on now. Make sure my grain's lined up. Okay, so I'm there. Got a good fit, but it's still fairly tight. And since I'm going to apply several more coats of finish, I'll spray it on. I'm going to lighten the cut and just take one more pass with a very light cut. A lot of this just depends on how much of a friction fit you want. Right now I've got a virtually invisible line between the top and the bottom. It is a snug fit. So you can hold the base by the lid. I don't know. Let's just go one more pass. I'll just try to make it very light. Hardly took anything off. Oh yeah, that's it. So that's how I fit the lid to the box. Okay, this is the fit up we have. The corners. You can't even see the line where the lid and base meet. You can see it there just because of the grain difference. Anyway, I thank you for watching. I hope this has been helpful to you, and stay safe in your shop. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.